y'all? Welcome back to another weekly vlog. If you're new to my channel, my name is Danique, and you'll definitely want to subscribe because we get lit over here, period. Don't fight me. I know I've been gone. There's something on my camera. I'm sorry. I don't mind my background either because we'll get into everything. I've been doing a lot. But y'all probably seen a video or two before this video. And I didn't really address why I've been gone. But if you keep, there is something on my camera. Okay, if you keep up with me, you know I started Vlogmas and then stopped, and I privated all those videos. It was just a lot going on, y'all, around that time. Like the last few months of 2022, I was going through it. Like mentally, physically, everything. I was in the hospital a couple times. Like I had a lot going on, and that's the reason why like I started Vlogmas and couldn't finish it, because in the middle of Vlogmas I went to a hospital and I tried to come home and finish it, but like the energy just wasn't there. I just like physically couldn't push myself to do it, and like I said, I was going through stuff mentally too, and it just wasn't in the cards. So I only did like probably 5 Vlogmas videos, and then I like stopped, and like I said, I privated those videos so they're not up anymore. So yeah, I've been going. I think the last video before that is like a Thanksgiving vlog. So it's been a while since I've been on here, and I'm so sorry, but I am getting back on my ish. I promise. Like I promise. So we're gonna get back with the weekly vlogs. So this is vlog number 1. It is Saturday, February 11th. I wanna realistically put my vlogs out every Sunday, so y'all probably won't be seeing this until like next Sunday. But that's what we're gonna do. But yeah, I am gonna put a link for y'all to ask me questions anonymous. This is like the second time I did that shit. Like I cannot say it. I promise you I know how to say this word, but when I'm on camera I can't say it. But I'm gonna put a link for y'all to ask me questions anonymously. There we go. So just so y'all can like see what I've been up to, because like I said, I just been going through shit. That's why I wasn't posting. And then I tried to post like top of the year, and I don't know, I guess I just wasn't always there mentally, but I finally like feel better to the point where I feel like I could like post again on here. So but yeah, y'all can follow me on Instagram and Twitter if y'all want to keep up with me more, because even if I don't post on here, I am on there. But I am going to be posting on here, I promise. Like at least weekly. Probably I'm going to try like a couple times a week. I'm not going to say a few, but a couple times a week. But yeah, I'm going to be posting my weekly vlogs again, starting with this one. But yeah, I'm going to put the anonymous link for y'all to ask me questions, and I'm going to do that video soon, hopefully, so y'all could kind of see what I've been up to. But really I ain't been up to shit besides like nothing. Y'all see. Yeah, I'll tell y'all like all my like updates in that video. But anyways, yeah, we're gonna start this vlog. Right now I'm about to head over to my mom's house because we threw her a party for her 60th birthday, which is exactly a month from today, and we have to go just confirm some things. I really wanted to start this vlog yesterday because I wanted to go get me an early birthday present, because my birthday's March 2nd. Look, it's so crazy. My sister's birthday, my older sister's birthday is February 24th. Mine is March 2nd, and my mom's is March 11th. My brother's is March 18th. Like, so everyone's birthday is like coming up, and my little sister's birthday just passed. So everyone's birthday is like super close together. So yeah, but I went to go get me an early birthday gift yesterday. I got me a pendant. And I wanted to start it yesterday, but I just forgot. Y'all want to see it? It's so nice. I might not be able to. My nails ain't done, y'all. I'm waiting to get them because I just took them off. And you know they be weak after you take them off. So I'm waiting until probably the day before my sister's birthday to get them done. Excuse me. Because that way they'll be good for my birthday too. Instead of trying to get them done right now and my nails is weak. So I'm trying to let them grow for a little bit before I get them done again. So I'm going to have to wait. Because I literally just took them off to get a fresh set. But y'all ain't going to be able to see. That's what it looks like. Maybe I'll just put a picture in. But y'all, this is my birthday gift to myself. I hope y'all can see it. Y'all can't see it, huh? I'm sorry. I'll put a picture or something, or I don't know if y'all can see it, but it is so nice. Probably like the most expensive thing I own, because y'all know I don't be do the designer shit and stuff like that. So it's like the most expensive thing I own, so I'm gonna take care of it. But yeah, I went to go do that yesterday. Today we about to go confirm some things for my mom's birthday party. And what else am I doing? I think that, oh, tomorrow we're having a little Super Bowl party for the Super Bowl. So I'll record that. Then what else this week? Valentine's Day. Your girl single as fuck, so probably nothing special there. But we just gonna see where the week takes us, and I'm happy to be back. So yeah, I gotta go right now because I'm not running late, but let me just go so I don't be. Oh, I'm about to be running late because I just remember I have to do some shit before I leave. So yeah, I'm gonna see y'all a little bit later. Hey guys, it's the next day. I just got done taking pictures. That's why my face look like this, but it's Super Bowl Sunday. I don't know if I mentioned it yesterday. I feel like my lip gloss is like sticking and it looks disgusting. And I'm making pigs in a blanket, and y'all know I don't really know how to cook, so I'm about to try to make these. I have the little croissant rolls. Then I didn't have the little mini dogs, and I couldn't find them at no store, so we are using fucking big hot dogs and just cutting them. It's ghetto. Y'all, so these are the ghetto as pigs in a blanket. We're gonna see what they turn out to be like. But that's what they're looking like. I'm waiting for the oven. I think I set it at 375. And I feel like they should only be like 15 minutes at the most. But we're gonna see. I'm gonna show y'all when this batch is done, because I have a couple batches to make, because I got a lot of hot dogs. Obviously, because I'm cutting them into threes. This is real ghetto. I hope they turn out right though. Hopefully. Okay. This is what they look like. Very ghetto. But that's the best we could do. So this is my last batch in the oven. So I'm about to finish these, get dressed, and probably just head over to my mom's. So I'll see y'all later.
Quit looking at Rover.
Put the sandwiches in a big one.
They're not. Put Doritos, tortillas, the dip.
Okay.
Torture, huh?
Rover, what is wrong with you? Like, are you okay? You must really like miss me. Oh, girl. Hey, calm down. Okay. Oh my God. Rover, girl, get this dog. What is wrong with her?
I don't know.
Plan ahead to keep everyone safe.
Y'all know it's like time to
Well, I'm just gonna record it once it's like done because I already did my like part. Rose, get off my
Just
foot.
gotta put her wings in those.
Yeah, or I could really just put other chips in them and call it a day.
She made wings for it.
Oh no, I don't
Don't know
want
how
to
late she gonna be.
I know. That's what I'm saying. We could be done with our
What,
TikToks.
didn't
Stop
she say
it.
the
Party was over.
at
Yeah.
6? Yeah. So
Too cute.
They was eating at 5:30.
I only got one ball.
She didn't turn that on. That looks cute.
That's adorable.
Yeah, I wish you would have had the field post though.
Huh?
Field post.
Next year she can
Field
do
goal post, whatever.
Hey, hand me a cup. This is a reason to drink. I don't even know what
I got a peach flavor one of these.
Oh,
It's
do
pink.
you?
Oh no, never mind. It's pineapple and mandarin. I don't know why I thought peach.
Yeah. I ain't even going to the car to get nothing to mix.
I asked you, should we have a Jumbotron? You said no.
Drink it.
Yo, what a jumbotron, bro.
Why my camera looks so titty all the time?
The Philadelphia Eagles have been soaring all season long. They're a complete team.
Caught red.
Yeah, already.
But don't pour all of it.
Just dump some in. Go ahead.
I'm so scared. Alright,
Okay, good job.
that's more.
Good job, baby. He ain't missed nothing. You missed some.
And
Alright, I think that's you got some.
alright, Daddy, do you realize what this is? What
Let
is
me finish my TikTok.
He ain't pay that much attention.
Daddy, what
Wait, man.
Okay, now I need to record something for my story.
Ooh. You got smacked a little bit. I need a pic. I'm hungry. I want to take pictures. Nika, we waited for you, bitch. We wanted to. Move, you got the good angle. You're being a hogger. Nika was hogging all the stuff. He's an alcohol.
Okay.
Nada, do you know what that is?
What is, sweetie?
Oh yeah, Desi, did you look at it now? Desi don't care. Desi's really trying to watch
What
the
is?
TV.
Yeah, do you know what that
A
Look at the
stadium.
videos.
is? Daddy,
It's that lamp. Move from the back. Back up.
Oh wait.
You're tweaking. Hold on, I need a video.
That's what I was supposed to do. Let me do
I
mine.
want to show you something real fast.
Me?
and I'm
Yeah.
part of actually.
Oh my god, yeah.
Dining room and do it. Like you could have went by the front door or the back door or out the fuck side.
Sorry.
It's fine.
Dude, you shouldn't have first dibs anyway.
Good.
You done?
Did we get enough? Did you get a good picture?
I just got a video on the
Cause
board.
Ravel's gonna go. Oh, they about to score, Ravel. The Eagles. I knew to bet on no money line. Ooh, I'ma die if they really win. Ooh, Ravel. They about to score. Don't spill that juice.
Alright, I'll go with it. I'm just saying. It's bad now.
What's up, y'all? I look crazy. Yeah, I just want to check in because it's Tuesday now. It's actually Valentine's Day. I'm probably gonna end the vlog here because honestly, because I do want to get this vlog out pretty soon, since because I wanted this to be my first video back on YouTube, but it turned out to be another video. So I want to put this video out like soon after that video. Yeah, just because it makes sense. Also, y'all, I think I touched on it like at the beginning of this video a little bit. Like I was like going through like depression and stuff like last few months of 2022, and I kind of been like getting out of it like recently. But today was one of them days. Yeah, today was really one of them days that I'm just like not feeling my best. But I even made this post on Instagram not that long ago how I'll put up on the screen the what is it, the caption of the, because I do like monthly dumps, you know, picture dumps on Instagram, and I put in this caption how, like, you know, I'm still working on, you know, my mental health basically. And you know, there's still days where I get sad, but I like try not to be sad for too long. And I honestly thought I was gonna be okay today, but like social media just got to me. I let it get to me too much, you know, seeing other people. But yeah, just seeing like other people on social media, you know, in their little happy relationship, which I'm never a hater, never. But it just brings back like memories and stuff, because like I've been single for a while now, honestly, but this is my first Valentine's Day like since 2014, 2015, where I'm actually like single, like didn't go out or get anything like, and it got me in my feelings a little bit. But yeah, I think I was talking about my Instagram post, like, you know, like I give myself time to be upset. Like I was literally just on my couch for like an hour, like feeling sorry for myself on social media, seeing all these posts. I'm like, let me get off social media. I'm about to run myself a nice bath, light a candle, sip some wine, and get out my feelings and enjoy the rest of my night. Like I'm not about to let a day bring me down, you know. Give myself time to be upset, and now I'm about to get out my feels and continue with my day. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. But I just wanted to end this vlog first. Also, I think I mentioned at the beginning of the video too, where I'm gonna do the anonymous Q&A, so y'all can ask me questions. I could do like a life update video because I need to, because I have not been on here. And yeah, like I told you, I was going through shit, so y'all can ask me whatever. I'll answer most of the questions if I can. But yeah, I think that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I have some more videos planned, more stuff coming up, working with companies. Definitely gonna be doing these weekly vlogs. Yeah, let me know what y'all want to see. But yeah, I'll see you guys next video. Peace.